dressed in blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Okay, so we're just watching CNN. What's it called? Like what? SpaceX attempts historical launch. 1 minute countdown. And we're gonna see it outside. Oh my god, I'd be so scared. That was it taken off, was it?
Yeah.
They made a mess of the countdown.
No, it's the feed.
We're dragging at Falcon 9 and look at them go!
Look at them go! We're just laying on the tarmac waiting. Rocket to pass.
It's actually a good idea though, because I can see everything now. Show Dad.
This is what Dad's doing. Nerd alert. Well, we're still just lying out here like 2 hours later. No, we're not. We watched a movie in between. Half a movie. I'm just freezing. That's crazy. I'm not scared. It's spicy cupcakes.
I'm getting ready to get to bed.
Okay, we can see no rocket. Rocket Man! We think we just spotted it, but I don't know if it'll come out on the camera.
That's it, alright, I'd say.
I can't see where it is on the camera either.
You know, I can't.
Just look at it in real life. We're just going on a little afternoon day trip after work. The vlog! Oh, that's cute. The car park's just straight ahead. Set the vibe, Amy. Come on. Press play. If you're in charge of the aux, take control.
Also on the faces of people going by, I see.
Oh god. Look at that.
They're really saying, I love you.
Ready? Someone take Caroline, I like the view. You do? Yes, you're my best view. Oh my god, this would be so nice for pics. I'm definitely gonna fall now. We're dancing, handshakes in the hand. Is that a plane? Oh my god! Imagine it just collapsed. What would you do? Oh, no. I know! Gurgling. I'm kind of scared. Baby, no. Guys, I'm kind of scared. Look at that. So we just decided to go to the beach today. It's and it's raining.
For a walk.
Yay! Yeah, just for a walk, but don't know how that'll go. We have Indy. She can't stop crying. What a great day to go to the beach.
My legs are so long. Oh my god.
Oh my god, here, actually.
They tried to put me on the cover of Vogue, but my legs were too long. Can you put your leg flat there?
Jesus! C'est la vie, c'est the old folks. It goes to show you never can tell. Okay, so we just arrived and it is lashing raining. Welcome to Ireland.
They're just an old shoulder.
Lovely. Oh my god, it's getting soaked. So disgusting. What you think, Indy? We just attempted to go out of the car. It did not work. We just came to a woods in Castlemartyr and there was like this homeless man that came out first when we first arrived and he was like staring at us. We were like, and then he left, thank God. We thought he was like going to follow us. Yeah, and Ellen was like away in her own world doing the limbo under a pole. And then we were like, did you see him? And she was like, see who?
But I did see him, I just didn't even look at him like.
Yeah. People go like, go, go, go. Mommy goes so fast!
He went back. That's where I'm going. I can't stop. You know the way?
No, this is it. Make a wish. Do I look good, my dear? Do I look good today? That's Hannah Montana. She's really good. I'm so hungry.
So it wasn't even important.
We just stopped in Lidl
to interrupt me in my soul.
to get some supplies for the pandemic. Bread.
Bread and water. Wow. I can't plug myself under now. I'm having a bit of a struggle.
I'm going to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed my little trips to the beach and looking at the rocket thing. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you very soon and have a great rest of your day. Bye.